back to Easy Slime Time! Make sure you subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Ow! No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Hello, guys. Everyone, wait for that. Easy Slime Time! So today we are at the Twin Cities base. And right now we are going in here. Oh. Okay. Wait. Here's look.
Yeah, right there.
Okay guys, now I'm gonna jump in. Whoa! Right now we're in the corn. I'm stuck in guys, I'm stuck now I'm swimming, guys. Yeah. Try to touch all the way down to the floor. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so deep. How deep is it? Look. I can't even reach the floor. Me either. Guys, I'm trying my hardest to reach the floor. Guys, look at my arm! I can't take it out! I can't take it out! Ah. Yeah, let me try to put my leg on it. Here's out the cannonball. Are you ready, guys? To see a backflip. Wait, Chris, do it again. I forgot to record. Wow! Whoa. Wait, hold on, guys. He's about to do a front flip into there. Ready? Wait. Okay, go. Okay, guys. Now we're going on to the hayride. So I'll see you guys there. Okay, guys, we're on the hayride. Help me! I'm falling off. Oh, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're on the hayride right now, and we'll see you guys when we start going. There's corn over there, guys. Really windy. Okay, guys. This is the corn. I was in the corn over there somewhere, and I found a pumpkin, so I want to go get it. And we're about to start going. After some other people get on. We're gonna get dropped off at Sunflower, right? And it's really good. No, it isn't. Oh, another one. Oh, another tractor, guys. I'm faster than this is. I am too. What does it actually work? Okay, guys, we are at the place that we're supposed to get dropped off at, and here are the sunflowers right over there. Oh, Chris just tripped over something. Whoa, there's lots of weeds right here. Wow. There's a big bumblebee somewhere, guys. Look at that one. I found another pumpkin. Sorry, guys. No, there's not. There's no snake in there.
Dude, I'm telling you, there's like a snake hole right there. They're over there.
I'm not throwing stuff at it. The sunflowers are very tall.
There are big bumblebees on them, so be careful.
Oh, yeah.
It's like they're really, really big.
Yeah, guys, there's bumblebees on them. But some of them fell down. Look. Some corn stuff. Guys, there's corn stuff. Do you know how we were in the corn? Okay, guys, I'm going to pick out my pumpkin.
I'm gonna get another one. Well, we're gonna get some big pumpkins. Another. Oh, that's a big one.
Guys, I don't know what pumpkin I want to get. Oh, you're just going to share like nothing. Poison ivy. Yeah, you said that.
Look how big this thing is.
Guys, I do not like any of the pumpkins here.
It's dripping.
It's dripping.
Like what?
It's dripping.
Where is that?
Found it.
Okay.
Should so 3?
Yeah. Wait until everyone's in, you can write on that.
Then what number is it? Number
3.
3. Oh, this is the one. Okay, now let's go for 4. Hey guys, okay, so we're doing a treasure map right now. So far we found 2. We found Paul Bunyan's axe and football. Now we need to find, now we're going for the number 4. I know the one. Guys, we found 7 so far. Can't believe I dropped my pumpkin. Guys, I dropped my pumpkin. So, we found the Golden Gophers. I wrote my 5 backwards on accident. And then the Hale, Minnesota, Paul, whatever that says, Little Brown Jug, University of MN Marching Band, football, and Skyuma. So, yeah.